Okay, today's homework, Tuesday, December 2nd, should be very easy for you because we did graph some today in class. But if you were in my afternoon class, you didn't experience this. So let's go through this one more time. So we know the point slope formula, y minus y1 equals the slope times x minus x1. So I'm just going to go ahead and plug it in. I just said it. I didn't write it. It's too hard to write. So it's going to get started. So we're going to have the y is the 4. So y minus 4 is equal to m is the 2 times, oops, that's y, it's not 4. I messed that up. So tell me, what is y is not 4? Let me start that over, but I'm not going to start my recorder. So the y is 2. Y minus 2. I'm getting it right. Minus 2 equals m, which is the slope, times x minus 4. Now we got it. So y minus 2, so we're going to distribute, so that's 2x, it looks like a 4, 2x minus 8. So you have y minus 2. Now equals. Now I'm going to go plus 2 on both sides, getting rid of that. So we're going to add 2 to the 8. So that answer is y equals 2x minus 6. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and graph this. So I'm going to go down to a negative 6 as a y-intercept. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the y-intercept, okay? So the slope is 2. So I'm going to go up 2 and over 1. It's positive. Up 2 and over 1. Up 2 and over 1. There I am. Now I'm going to get my line tool. Draw my line. There goes. Okay, now I decided to do number 2. Now this time, I had trouble writing it, so I went ahead and typed it. So y plus 2, this is the y here, okay? Why did I put plus 2? Quite simple, because this is a negative. A negative times a negative gives you the positive, because it's y minus 2. So it's y plus 2, negative positive. Yep, you got it. And then the slope is 1 over 2. And then x is 6, x minus 6. Then what I do is distribute it. Half of 6 is 3, it's minus 3. Now I move the 2 over and add it. So I added the opposite. So that was minus 2 on both sides. So negative 2 and negative 3 will give you a negative 5. So this right in here is the answer. Y equals 1 half x minus 5. Okay, this will be my last one. I'm just going to write it this time. So I'm going to have y minus, it's going to be a plus because the y is a negative 1. Y plus 1 equals, the slope is a negative, so it's going to be a negative 1 over 4. And you're going to open parentheses, x minus, it's going to be a plus because 2 negatives is a positive, plus 4. I'm not writing too bad. You can get that. So now I'm going to distribute the 1/4. So that's going to be a negative 1/4 or 1 over 4x minus 1 because 4 times negative 1 over 4 would be a minus 1. And I'm just going to rewrite the y plus 1 in front. Now, last but not least, I'm going to add 1 to both sides. So see what happened? That canceled. So our answer is, if you can see it amongst this, y equals negative 1/4 x. So what does that tell us? That tells us there's no y-intercept. So how are we going to graph it? Yes, you got it right. We're going to start at 0 at the origin. So now we're at the origin. We can graph rise over run. That means I can go down 1 in the negative, that means I have to go right 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or I can go up 1 in the positive, means to go to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is where we have the slide, like you're sliding down because it's a negative slope. Okay? So that's that graph for that problem. All right, almost done. Put some arrows on the end, signifies it goes on and on forever. So let's see, we didn't graph this one, the last one we did. So let's see if we can scoot over here and graph it and be done. This is the one we need to graph. So it started -5. It's a y-intercept. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mark it. What is the slope? 1 over 2. Rise is 1 and run is 2. Rise is 1, run is 2. So you can see this is a positive slope. So you are going up a hill. There you are. Now we're up a hill here. Let me make the arrows on the end. So that's your tutorial today for day 2, Tuesday, December the 2nd.